Number one, get you a case. What is that? Crosshairs. Nice. Now we're gonna install this motherboard right there. CPU, baby. There you go. RGB.
CPU.
RGB. Oh, yeah.
Power supply.
Power supply. What are you doing? That's it right there. Yeah, doable. Let's put some turbo on that thing. Alright. A little bit of space. You know, just start off. Awesome. And you know, we're gonna be super chilled. Oh yeah. Super chilled. Oh! And so in the end, there it is. It looks like a fucking rainbow, but there it is. Beautiful. Da da da. Dun dun dun.